Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change display resolution of BlueStack in BlueStack 5 application player. All you have to do now, you can open this BlueStack in your Windows system, or if you use Mac, please open it. And in order to change the resolution, just simply click three strap at the top of your screen, go to the settings. Here you can click on display, and this is the display resolution. So you can choose the aspect ratio like landscape, portrait, ultra wide, or custom. So here you can add the resolution by yourself. For landscape, you can the minimum is 540, 720, and 900, and here recommended resolution on my monitor is 900p, or if you have a 1440, you can use it here for the ideal for gaming, this one. So if you just use HD monitor, simply 1080p. And here you can choose pixel density. Change the pixel density may affect gameplay experience of some apps. So by default is 240 dpi for the medium. And most cursor style you can use a BlueStack or system default. And interface scaling, 100% scaling is advised for screens with resolution 1080p or lower. So you can save change, and change will apply on the next launch. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.